It's Betty with Betty Spines showing you this WORX 40-volt lawnmower. Place this lid to put the batteries in. It takes two 20-volt batteries. These batteries are interchangeable with all other WORX landscape tools. Here is a button to push to see how much power you have. 3 lights are lighting up right now. This is the handle to adjust the height. So I've got mine on number 1, and that's about the right height for my yard. This button has 2 settings, Eco and Turbo. So you would turn it to Turbo if you're going to mow through high grass, but I keep it on Eco. I try to keep the yard pretty well mowed. Mower is so easy to start. Right here is a key, and you just put it in the little slot and push it over to the right and hold it. Then you bring this rod up to the handle, and that's how easy it is to start and stop this lawnmower. I like the easy start and stop feature. I like that I don't have to go buy gasoline to mow the yard. I just charge the batteries and I'm ready to mow. I like the ease with which I can take the bag off and on to empty grass clippings. And it is lightweight. It only weighs about 30 pounds, which is great. So I would not go back to a gas-powered mower because this one is perfect for our small yard.